Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will share with you how I make my glass bottle pot for planting. I start by removing the labels. For me, it was really easy. I removed the glue residue. For this, I use a cotton thread. I twist the thread 3 times around the bottle and make a knot. We will need some really cold water. I use rubbing alcohol or 96%. I place the bottle above the candle, with the thread really close to the flame. I rotate the bottle continuously to distribute the heat evenly. When the thread is completely burned, we immerse the bottle in the cold water and wait for the crack. It should be easy to separate the 2 parts of the bottle. With the point of a knife, I make a hole in the bottle lid. I pass the thread through the hole and make a knot. In these pots, I will plant strawberries. I start filling my pot with expanded clay. The second layer, it will be a universal potting mix. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.